In the small village of Meadowbrook, lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan was an ordinary boy with extraordinary dreams. He had always felt a sense of restlessness and a desire to embark on great adventures. One fateful day, as Ethan was exploring the nearby woods, he stumbled upon an ancient, weathered map. The map depicted a land of mythical creatures, hidden treasures, and untold mysteries. It was a map that held the promise of the ultimate hero's journey. Filled with excitement and curiosity, Ethan knew deep down that this was his chance to prove himself. With a determined heart, he set off on his journey, leaving behind his worried parents and the safety of his village. Ethan's path was fraught with challenges. He encountered treacherous mountains, vast deserts, and dark forests inhabited by fearsome creatures. But he was not alone. Along his way, he met a wise old hermit named Arian, who had witnessed many heroes' journeys in his lifetime. Arian became Ethan's mentor and guide, teaching him valuable lessons about courage, resilience, and the power of self-belief. He taught Ethan that the journey itself was just as important as the destination and that true heroes are forged through adversity. Together, they faced countless trials. They crossed rickety rope bridges, battled mythical beasts, and deciphered ancient riddles. Each challenge tested Ethan's limits, but with every triumph, he grew stronger and more determined. During his travels, Ethan encountered a diverse group of individuals who became his loyal companions. There was Luna, a skilled archer with a heart full of compassion, and Kellen, a mighty warrior known for his unwavering loyalty. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond, supporting each other through the darkest moments. As Ethan approached the final stage of his journey, he confronted his greatest adversary, the malevolent sorcerer Malachi. Malachi sought to control the land depicted in the ancient map and unleash chaos upon the world. Ethan knew that the fate of the entire realm rested on his shoulders. In a climactic battle, Ethan faced Malachi with all his newfound courage and strength. The battle was intense, and Ethan's companions fought valiantly by his side. Through sheer determination and the lessons he had learned along his journey, Ethan emerged victorious, banishing Malachi and restoring peace to the land. With his mission accomplished, Ethan returned to Meadowbrook as a hero, welcomed by the jubilant cheers of his fellow villagers. He realized that his true journey had been one of self-discovery, of finding the hero within himself. Ethan's tale would forever be told as a legendary example of the hero's journey. His bravery, perseverance, and unwavering spirit inspired generations to come. And in the hearts of those who heard his story, the belief that anyone could embark on their own heroic adventure took root, forever shaping the destiny of the world.